Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Redfield Properties Calobulus Malaysia's agent Francis Ngui. Today I'm going to take you to a new location for a property tour. Let's check it out. If you ever wonder what you can buy from 429,000 ringgit or mortgage as low as from 1,600 per month, this is what you are looking for. A brand new freehold mixed development. It is a great spot that combines shops and homes all in one place. These serviced apartments have various sizes, starting from 400 up to 1,000 square feet. You have plenty of choices to fit your needs. You can choose a studio, a 2-bedroom unit, or a larger corner 3-bedroom layout. There is a space here for everyone. Every unit comes fully furnished, so you can move in or rent it out right away. This is the perfect chance to own a home in a prime location. 20 million visitors in 2025. Massive demand meets limited rooms, driving a forecasted returns on investment up to 11%. Investors and owners can track occupancy, vacancies, and profit records, or just a click away. Complete transparency, complete control. Hope you enjoyed this tour so far. This is a mixed development, and right at the center are these 2.5-story retail lots with dual frontage and a location where all residents pass through on their way in and out. Your business guaranteed daily visibility. Prices start from 1.6 million ringgit gross. I'm going to show you around what is nearby this new development. First stop, 5 minutes away, Genting Highlands Premium Outlets, where you can shop till you drop. Next, take the Awana Skyway cable ride to the peak and soak in those incredible views. At the peak, the real action begins. Experience the thrill of world-class gaming, endless shopping, and theme park fun. It's time to zip up your favorite jacket and enjoy the refreshing mountain air and chilly weather. If this fits your new investment portfolio, give me a call today. This is my contact number to get more information and the latest packages available.